Today we're going to see one of the simplest, easiest and fastest ways to memorize the periodic table. So we're going to build a chain of events like a story, and each event or each set of words will symbolize a particular element from the periodic table. So some parts of these might seem really weird or stupid, but that's the whole point of it. It needs to be weird enough for you to remember it. So let's get started. So today we are going to see the elements from 1 to 10, that is hydrogen to neon. So I want you all to visualize whatever I'm saying. The images are given, but these things need to be in your brain on your own terms. So there was a girl called Heidi. Simple enough. There was a girl called Heidi. Heidi represents hydrogen. So that's the first element, hydrogen. There was a girl called Heidi. And she was a very special girl because she could turn into a helium balloon at will. So helium balloon represents helium. So Heidi, hydrogen, could turn into a helium balloon. Helium. She had a brother called Lee. He liked to call himself lithium. Lithium. Because he could turn into a berry. It was really yum. Beryllium. So Lee could turn into a berry. So he called himself lithium. Lithium and beryllium. One day, both of them were bored. Boron. So they decided to go on a car ride. They were hungry, so they were eating buns. Carbon. Day turned into night as they were driving. Nitrogen. And the tires were flat, so they pumped oxygen into the tires. Oxygen. As they were driving, the wheels became fluorescent in color. Any fluorescent color. Fluorine. And then they turned neon orange. Neon. So I just want to say, if you're not comfortable or you can't properly relate to these points, you can change them as per your wish. Let's just do a quick recap. Heidi could turn into a helium balloon. Hydrogen and helium. So she had a brother called Lee. He liked to call himself lithium, because he could turn into a berry, which was really yum, beryllium. And one day they both were bored, boron. So they went on a car ride, eating a bun. Carbon. Day turned into night, nitrogen. They pumped oxygen gas, oxygen. The tires became fluorescent, fluorine, and then they turned neon orange, neon. So through this method, you can easily learn the elements from 1 to 10, which are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Try it and share your experience in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll be posting the rest of the parts soon.